Tesla, TSLA, and BYD, BYDDF, are the leading electric vehicle manufacturers. However, the landscape has shifted. In 2022, China's EV and battery giant BYD surpassed Tesla in vehicle sales, and that lead has only widened. BYD's sales are now well over twice as high as Tesla's and even tripled in Q4 2024. Tesla, meanwhile, has faced challenges. Deliveries have been underwhelming, falling short of already reduced estimates. This has been attributed, in part, to the damage Elon Musk's political stances and association with the Trump administration have inflicted on the Tesla brand. Investors now await Tesla's first quarter earnings with considerable anxiety. Tesla's stock experienced a surge in late 2024, fueled by optimistic comments from Musk and the election of Donald Trump. Yet, those gains have been sharply reversed in 2025 as sales have declined, and concerns have mounted about Tesla's repeated failure to meet self-driving technology deadlines. While Tesla's sales in China appear to have inched up compared to the previous year, these sales generally yield lower profit margins. Sales in the US and Europe, in contrast, have seen a significant downturn, largely due to the aforementioned brand issues. Conversely, BYD reported selling 1,804,000 EVs in the first quarter, a period typically marked by slower sales. While this represents a 34.3% decrease from the record 1,524,270 vehicles sold in the fourth quarter, BYD's Q1 sales jumped a remarkable 59.8% year-over-year. Notably, BYD's exports and overseas sales, which tend to be more profitable, saw a substantial increase. Tesla's shifting strategy in 2024, Tesla abandoned its long-held plans for a next-generation EV and revolutionary manufacturing processes. The company is now focusing on producing affordable vehicles using its existing production lines. However, Tesla's EV pipeline appears relatively weak, raising questions about demand in 2026 and beyond. Tesla's battery supply chain. Historically, Tesla has not mass-produced its own batteries. The company relies on a joint venture with Panasonic for lithium-ion battery cells and also purchases these batteries from South Korea's LG. Additionally, Tesla sources a significant portion of its lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries from China's CATL and also acquires some LFP batteries from BYD. Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) technology. Around Thanksgiving 2024, Tesla began the rollout of FSD V13, which is compatible only with vehicles equipped with Hardware 4.0. Tesla's late 2024 robotaxi event, Elon Musk unveiled the two-seat Cybercab, a vehicle designed without a steering wheel. Musk projected that the Cybercab would be priced below $30,000, with production slated to begin before 2027. However, the viability of the Cybercab hinges on the achievement of true self-driving capability, and the successful implementation of Tesla's unboxed manufacturing process remains uncertain. The price of Tesla's FSD software is currently $8,000 in the US, reduced from a peak of $15,000. FSD is also available as a subscription for $99 per month. Tesla's diversified business. Tesla operates its own supercharger network in its markets, a crucial advantage, especially in the US, where charging infrastructure remains limited. Tesla also has a solar installation business, although this segment has faced challenges and struggled to achieve profitability in recent years. The company is also developing Optimus, a humanoid robot. Musk has expressed his belief that Optimus could become a multi-trillion-dollar business, with potential sales starting in the first half of 2026. The impact of Trump's election. Elon Musk was a prominent supporter of Donald Trump's election bid, contributing significant funds and actively campaigning alongside him. There was considerable anticipation that a Trump administration would benefit Tesla. While the president has rolled back fuel economy standards, which has had a mixed impact, the elimination of the $7,500 tax credit for EVs would be a short-term disadvantage for Tesla. The Trump team has reportedly expressed interest in establishing a federal framework for self-driving vehicles, a measure Musk has advocated for. However, the primary obstacle to Tesla robot access lies not in regulatory hurdles, as self-driving vehicles face no restrictions in states like Texas and Florida. Trump's tariffs on imported automobiles could potentially benefit Tesla, as its US-made EVs would avoid the higher costs faced by competitors importing vehicles. However, Canada has already excluded Tesla from EV rebates, and the U.K.is considering similar actions. Musk's prominent involvement in the Trump administration, along with his political statements regarding the US, the UK, Germany, and Ukraine, appear to be negatively affecting Tesla's brand perception in the US and Europe, particularly among demographics most likely to purchase EVs. Large-scale Trump tariffs on Chinese goods are unlikely to directly impact BYD, but they could negatively affect China's overall economy. This, in turn, could indirectly hurt Tesla's sales in China. Furthermore, the possibility of patriotic boycotts or other government actions against Tesla in China remains a risk. Tesla has already suspended orders in China for its US-manufactured Model S and X. Tesla's financial performance in the fourth quarter. Tesla's earnings increased by 3% compared to the previous year, while revenue saw a modest 2% rise to $25.7 billion. However, these figures fell short of market expectations. Notably, earnings would have declined significantly without the inclusion of an unrealized gain from Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. After a surprising surge in the third quarter, gross margins experienced a decline to 16.3%. Auto gross margins, excluding regulatory tax credits, reached a multi-year low of 13.6%, significantly below analyst estimates. Tesla Energy's margins remained high but also showed a substantial decrease. During the fourth quarter earnings call, Musk refrained from reiterating his previous forecast of 20% to 30% delivery growth in 2025, signaling a continued subdued outlook for the EV business this year. Furthermore, he provided no new details regarding the promised affordable vehicles.